Human cataract in non-coastal districts. This study looked at how common cataracts, a leading cause of blindness, were in two districts of Kerala, India, Kottayam and Pathanamthitta over 6 years, from 2005 to 2011. Cataracts cloud the eye's lens, making it hard to see, and they mostly affect older adults. Information was collected from local hospitals and health authorities to find out how many people had cataracts, whether men or women were more affected, and how the condition varied by age group. The results showed that cataracts became more common in Kottayam, rising from 0.34% to 0.51% of the population. However, in Pathanamthitta, the numbers slightly dropped, likely due to a decrease in the district's population. In both areas, women were more affected than men. The highest number of cases was found in people aged 71 to 80 years. Children rarely had cataracts, with very low cases in those under 15 years old. The study highlights that rural communities, where most Indians live, carry a greater burden of blindness due to limited healthcare access. It also shows the urgent need for better public health strategies to prevent and treat cataracts, especially as people live longer. Understanding how cataracts are affecting different regions can help plan better eye care services in Kerala and beyond. Introduction. Cataract is a condition where the eye's clear lens becomes cloudy, causing blurry vision and, if untreated, can lead to blindness. It usually develops slowly and is more common as people age. Cataracts are the leading cause of blindness worldwide, affecting millions of people, especially in rural areas of developing countries. Women and older adults are more likely to be affected. In places like India, Malaysia, China, and Brazil, cataracts and other eye conditions continue to impact people's quality of life, especially where access to eye care is limited. Blindness from cataracts is not just a health issue, it also affects the ability of individuals to work and care for themselves, placing a burden on families and communities. However, with proper treatment, such as cataract surgery or correction of vision problems, many cases of blindness can be prevented. Addressing cataracts is key to reducing preventable blindness worldwide. Conclusions. This study looked at cataract cases in two districts of Kerala, India, Kottayam and Pathanamthitta, between 2005 and 2011. It found that cataract cases increased in Kottayam, where the population also grew, but decreased in Pathanamthitta, where the population shrank. This suggests that population growth, more than aging, might be driving the rise in cataract cases. Women were more affected than men, especially in older age groups, and risk factors included age, chronic illnesses, and lower social status. Cataracts are a major cause of blindness, particularly in India, where the number of older adults is rising. Most cases occur after age 50, and females are significantly more likely to be affected. Although cataracts can be treated with surgery, the growing number of cases suggests that prevention and community-based health programs are essential. Even in states like Kerala with good healthcare, treatable blindness remains a challenge that needs ongoing attention. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.